Hi guys, good morning. I'm sorry if I'm talking a little bit soft. Jonathan is sleeping. I'm going to turn this up in post, like when I'm editing. I just wanted to do, I know it's a different video. I have my acne thing on. I am no makeup at all, and yes, I have a new hairstyle. I'll be doing a video all about my hairstyle in about a couple days or so. I'm filming this video the day you're seeing it, not because I don't have content, bruh. I have 4 days left and no videos, but I wanted to do a video on my weight loss journey so far, and my fitness journey rather so far. And this video here is what I wanted the video to look like. Very polished and stuff, but you guys will be seeing my new background. I didn't want that yet, so for the rest of the year I'll be filming at a different location so you guys can see my new background. But yeah, so far I've gained weight. My lowest weight that I've ever hit was 132, and that was when I was on the juice cleanse. For 3 days I hit 132. That was my lowest weight since I started my weight loss journey, and now I'm sitting at let me go and check. So I am currently at 139, so I gained what, 7 pounds or so. 139.6, let's call it 140, so I gained 8 pounds. And it is showing in my body, like I can see where I've gotten bigger. The thing is though, I had stopped going to the hill for a month, and during that time I was going to the gym like almost every single day. I only missed the gym probably twice per week or once per week, and I used to do everything like all in one, like a full body workout. But now I'm doing like body part splits where I just work out a different set. So I work out like probably my core and my hamstrings one day, then move on to shoulders and back and arms, and the next day it's like quads and glutes, you know. So I've moved on to that, and just doing the body part split, it has worked out amazingly well for my body type. I'm actually seeing results already in just the 1 month, and my diet has not been that good. I have started drinking soda. I drank soda I think 2 days ago, but I drank it twice in 1 day, you know, stuff like that. And you guys know, when I saw that weight gain, it really got me in a very horrible state. I got very depressed, and I was like, I can't believe I'm gaining weight, and it's just going to look bad on me. But this is why I make these videos, and I'm sorry if it seems like it's being repetitious, like I'm being repetitious, but this is why I make these videos, so that people who are on a weight loss journey can understand that it's not overnight, and that even when I get the body I want, I still have to maintain the body that I wanted, that I will have. So it basically never stops. You see me, unless you do some surgery, and I think even if you've done surgery, you still have to maintain. You can't just sit on your butt and start to eat crap thinking that everything is going to be okay. This has been a very long journey for me. It has, I'm scratching my nose, sorry. It has been, I started in May, January, February, March, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. January, February, March, January, February, March, April. I started on the 1st of May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. I started on the 1st of May, so I've been doing this now for 7 months, I guess, or so. I keep on telling people 8, I don't know why, but 7 months apparently, unless I'm missing up a month. But it has not been easy for me. I remember when I was stuck in the 150s and I didn't know I would get to 140s. Stuck in 140s, didn't know I could get to 150. Honestly though, my goal weight is 125, but because I have new body goals, I don't know if my goal weight will facilitate me being on 125. Because my new body goals, now that I gained the 140, well, I'm at 140 now, right? It's still a little bit meh for me, but I like how my body's looking. I like how I look thick. I like my thick thighs, my wide hips, my big booty. Get out. So I like how I look. So I just need to work on my core, my back. Like I still have like flabs like here. I'm sweaty, guys. I just coming from the hill. I went to the hill this morning, so I'm going to be doing the hill and the gym now. consecutively. Yeah, so sweaty, my tummy. So I want to get my flat abs. I want to get, you know, that shape, that curve, that, as my husband calls it, that dip. I want that Coca-Cola back shake as I eat around the place. Because I need so that's what I'm going for. But I think my 125 can facilitate my shape. I'll just be a little bit more petite and not as thick. I don't know. So I'm not, honestly, my body weight is still 125, but no, I have changed how I want my body to look. I don't want to be skinny. I want to be thick. So when I reach how I want my body to look, then I'll wait to see where I am. But I'm just working on that. My biggest issue for me right now is nutrition. My nutrition was up. My nutrition was A1 in the beginning of my journey for the past 4 or 5 months in my journey. Now I'm slacking off, and it's nobody else's fault but myself, because I'm slacking off on my nutrition. I'm not taking enough water, so all of that I'm basically starting over before 2017, because summer bodies are made in the winter. And I want my body to look a certain way for summer, because I have still not worn a 2-piece. That Zaful haul I did, I brought every single bathing suit. Did not wear one of them because I was so uncomfortable with how I looked, you know. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. My new body goal, I'm at 140. My nutrition has gone to crap, but I'm getting back on track right now, and I've been getting back on track. Christmas just done. We still eat Christmas cake. I will no longer be eating no more cake because I eat that for breakfast, honey. I cut me a slice, have that for breakfast. For my Christmas dinner, I had sweet potatoes with oxtail and I have chicken, I think. No, sweet potato with oxtail and ham with like a bunch of lettuce, like lettuce. That's another thing, so I need to go and stock up. Whenever I do a food haul or whatever, or buy some food, I'll let you guys know. I got an amazing thing from Vanity Planet. It's their food scale, which allows me to weigh out the food that I eat, and I'm so grateful. The scale is from Vanity Planet as well, and I am affiliated with Vanity Planet, so I'll leave links where you can purchase through my link, of course, and like a discount code for you guys. But yeah, so they sent me a scale, a food scale, so I can weigh how much I eat, so I can put in my MyFitnessPal and track my foods a bit more efficiently now. So I'm completely grateful for that. So I'm just taking steps, and I'm not waiting for 2017. I'm doing it right now. I've been doing it. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know where I'm at. This impromptu no makeup acne video, to let you guys know that I do fall off the wagon. I did fall off the wagon, but I'm gonna brush myself off, run that wagon down, and get back on it. Boo-boo. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys don't give up on anything, whether it be your dream, your YouTube channel, your weight loss journey, your marriage, your husband, your wife, your children, school. Just don't give up. Just see through to the end, because I promise the end will be so much greater for you. It's just this process, this middle part that always pisses us off, but it'll be all worth it in the end. Just don't give up and keep on fighting, because if you're one of my subscribers, you're automatically a warrior. I want to accept no surface around here, no scalawa squammy, no weak girl. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. Talk to you guys in the next one. Jonathan is sleeping. I'm going to go bed and film a tutorial for you guys, and another video for you guys, and another video for you guys. Bye guys.